Did I hear that right? Make $12 per song I listen to? Yep, you heard that right. If you want to learn how to make $12 per song you listen to, then watch this video. All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to earn $12 per song you listen to. And I said that right, $12 per song. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, my name is Zeb Summers. I talk about online entrepreneurship, make money online, internet affiliate, digital marketing. I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle to get you some freedom in your life. All right, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me some likes, hit that notification bell so you get notified every day when I put out these videos, and give me a comment below and let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, or if you have any questions about this content, post it below and I will reply. And let me know if you do subscribe. All right, guys, let's get on with today's video. I don't want to waste any more of your all's time. I want to get straight to the point so we can start making up to $12 per hour listening to music. All right, so everybody says, what are you talking about, Zeb? Make $12 per hour? I mean per song. You mean $12 per hour? No, I mean $12 per song. All right, guys. There is a website out there. It is called playlistpush.com. That's playlistpush.com. Okay? This is a site that allows people to start campaigns to publish their songs to get more followers so their songs will go viral. So what happens is an artist will come here, they'll start a campaign. Their campaigns usually cost about $150. They'll start their campaign, and what happens is there are what you call curators, which is what we're going to try to do. We want to be pure curators so we can listen to the music and get paid. And what happens is these curators get paid up to $12 per song they listen to. But here's the kicker. You got to have at least 400 followers on your Spotify account. Some people are saying, well, count me out because I don't even have a Spotify account. But don't stop listening to this or watching into this video, because I'm going to show you how you can get followers on your Spotify account so you can start making money listening to music. All right. So what we want to do is we want to come here and we want to go to four curators. All right. We want to go to this four curators. We want to get paid to review songs. That's what we're trying to do, right? We want to monetize and grow playlists. So what are you doing? You're going to get paid per review up to $12 per song. All right. That money's going to get dropped right in your PayPal account. I'm talking about PayPal money every Friday for listening to music. Tell me that don't sound dope. All right. So what we're going to be doing is you got to have 400 followers either on Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music. I'm going to show you how to get Spotify followers throughout this video. So keep watching because I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. So if you're like wondering, damn, I ain't never going to get 400 followers, well, keep watching, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get more followers to your Spotify account so you can start getting paid every week on Friday listening to music. All right. All right, guys. That was playlistpush.com. All right. Go to curators, sign up, and get paid to listen to music. First thing we want to do, we want to go to this site. The first thing we want to do is go to Spotify. All right. You're going to go to Spotify. If you don't already have an account, sign up for free at Spotify. Spotify is awesome. I use Spotify. Spotify allows you to create playlists and other people can find them publicly, right? So you create public playlists and then you share them out on Spotify. But I'm going to show you some sites that you can share your playlist on to help grow your followers. All right. So first thing you want to do is create your Spotify account. That's at spotify.com, and just sign up. It's free, totally free, no credit card needed, and just start listening to songs. And as you listen to songs, add them to a playlist. So create a playlist, whatever You can create dozens and dozens of playlists, and hopefully one of them will go viral and you'll start getting some followers. All right. So the next site we want to go to is called playlist.net. That's playlist.net. So you want to run over to this site after you do your Spotify account, all right? And you get a playlist. Then you're going to submit your playlist on this site. And what happens is you submit your playlist and then other people find it on here and you get followers. People listen to your playlist, and as people start tagging your playlist, you start getting followers. All right. So this is a playlist right here, right? US top 40 hits. This guy made this playlist on October 17th. All right. So what happens is he'll share his playlist. Somebody will go over it, hit play now, and they'll follow your playlist if they like it. All right. So this is how you get followers on Spotify. It may not happen like in 2 hours time, but over a week or so, you could very easily get 400 on your Spotify playlist, on your Spotify account, get some followers. All right. So this is just one site. That's playlist.net. The next site I want you to go to is called soundplate.com. Soundplate.com. All right. So that's the next site we want you to go to. You want to go to that site, and it's the same deal. You want to submit your Spotify playlist. All right. So you got two sites now that you submit your Spotify playlist to, and you start getting organic followers. All right. Hopefully one of your playlists will go viral and you'll just get foreign followers in no freaking time. All right. But it'll happen. It'll happen quick, because here's two sites that I already showed you, and there's probably more out there. All right. These are just two that I found. Another thing we want you to do, all right, is you can go to Reddit. All right. So go to Reddit and type in, there's a subreddit. If you don't have a Reddit account, start a Reddit account. All right. When you get into Reddit, there's a subreddit called "This is an extra bonus for you guys." All right. Give me a like if you like this content. All right. Give me a like. Post a comment below and say this shit is dope. All right. But you want to go to subreddit, reddit.com. Go to subreddit. There is a subreddit list that's called Spotify playlist. All right. Let's just go over here real quick. Spotify playlist on Reddit. Spotify playlist on Reddit. All right. So we're going to go right here, Spotify playlist on Reddit. All right. And here you can just submit your Spotify playlist. Guys, this is no brainer, right? So you submit your playlist and people like it on Reddit. So just another bonus for you guys to help share your playlist. All right, guys, this is cool stuff I'm sharing with you. All right, so take advantage of building a Spotify account. First thing I want you to do today is I want you to go over to Spotify, create an account. All right, the very first thing I want you to do is create an account on Spotify. Start listening to music and building a playlist. Once you build your playlist, go over to playlistpush.com, create your account, start sharing your playlist on playlist.net and soundplate.com, and then run over to Spotify and share it in your Reddit, and share it in your Spotify playlist subreddit. All right. So guys, it's that easy. And then start getting paid up to $12 per hour for each song you listen to. All right. All right, guys. I'm not going to waste any more time. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. Hit that subscribe button if you didn't already. Give me a like. Throw me some comments down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And also, if you have any questions on today's content, let me know and I will reply. All right. Again, peace out, and I will see you tomorrow on the next video.